Welcome to Don Carinderia series. This has got to be my favorite seafood dish. I'll be cooking today my favorite and your favorite Adobong Pusit. Let's start cooking! First, we need to mince some garlic. We'll be dicing one medium onion. And then we'll slice some chili peppers. If you haven't done some squid cleaning, I'll teach you how. First, gently pull the tentacles from the body. Be careful not to break the ink sac. Then you will find this clear skeleton from the body. Remove that. Also discard the innards of the squid. Now this part is optional. You can slice the squid into bite-sized pieces. Lastly, you can find the beak inside the tentacles. Remove it. I'll show it to you one more time. Now there you go. Now do it for the rest of the squid. I added some bay leaves for this recipe. It's cooking time and we'll saute our onions first. And then we'll add in our garlic. Add our bay leaves next. Basic adobo requires some vinegar, and soy sauce. I like my Adobong Pusit sweet and spicy, so I'll add some brown sugar. Flavor the sauce with salt and pepper. If you want a saucy adobo, add some water. Let it simmer to reduce the sauce. It's time to add the star of the show, using a spoon. Try to break the sac of the squid. It's located near the tentacles. Add some chili peppers, or if you want some extra kick, add some chili flakes too. Don't cook your squid for too long or it will get rubbery. Get your rice ready now. This is my perfectly splendid Adobong Pusit. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.